In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp from one phone to another. So the first thing you want to do is on your old phone, okay? Where you want to open WhatsApp on your old device and then tap More Options, Settings, go inside Chats, click on Transfer Chats, and then click Start. Then when you accept the requested permissions and prepare to scan the QR code that will soon be shown in your new phone, you can prepare your new phone, okay? Now on your new phone, you want to download and then open WhatsApp on your device, and then you want to go through the setup, and then you want to accept terms and conditions and verify your phone number. Then you want to tap Start on Transfer Chat History from Old Phone. Then you want to accept requested permissions, and then you will see a QR code. On your old phone, scan the QR code shown on your new phone, okay? So simply go to your old phone and scan the QR code that is showing up on your new phone's screen. And then you want to accept the invitation to connect on your new phone to link your new phone to your old phone. And then while your chat history is transferring, a percentage bar will track the progress. Keep both phones unlocked and don't leave WhatsApp, okay? Messaging is paused during the chat history transfer and you can cancel the process at any time. However, if you cancel the process, what will happen is you will basically lose all the progress and you will have to go through it yet again, okay? And then if you decide to wait, once the import is complete, you can simply tap Done and start using WhatsApp on your new device.